So how's it going? Well, got a cordless jigsaw. I have a jigsaw from Harbor Freight that's corded. Last time I used it, it was a pain in the rear with that cord. So now I have another option. It's a 20 volt cordless jigsaw. 2500 strokes, I guess, per minute. If I'm wrong, let me know. Tool-free blade change. Cordless, comes with a blade and the tool, bare tool. Because as of right now I have 9 batteries. So, doing good. They show all their cordless tools in this line. Which I got that guy. I have the 12 volt version of the Matrix. I don't know about getting a sander, maybe. Just got that. I don't know about that. Mouse sander. I think that's the mouse. That's the finish sander. Just got that. I have that. Chainsaw, weed whacker. The prostate examiner. Leaf blower, maybe. Hedge trimmer. Don't have any hedges. That thing. That looks evil. But looks interesting. Anyway, let me open her up. The blade right there, battery goes in there, and just like the Harbor Freight one, like many jigsaws, that's adjustable. You can put it at a different angle. Right there, the tool is right here. Let's test it out. Loosen more. There we go. Then you can adjust the angle where you want to cut. It has degrees right there. 0 degree. 245 right there. And either way you want to cut, which is nice. Now let's tighten that thing back down. Back to 0. There we go. Probably edit this part out. What do you think? There. Tool back in. And they say toolless blade change. Looks like that orange lever. Pull that up. Alright, it's locked in there. Pull it out. Push it back in. There we go. Slap the battery in there. Locked. The other side. Push to unlock. That's technically an unboxing. And what I'm going to do is do a review on this, the new that new reciprocating saw, the new impact wrench, impact driver that I have, and I'll compare them to the corded ones that I have. So thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and all that jazz.